And we live. Oh shit, my backpack just got stuck. Alright, as you can see, it is fucking atrocious out here. Alright. Holy fuck. This shit is way too deep. Gangsta. Alright. What the fuck? I ain't even been out here yet. Yes, Lord Isaac. What's good, bro? God damn. Y'all see the vibes out here. Bro, we walked last time. Nah, yeah, it wasn't this much. It hasn't snowed like this since like 2016. Damn, look at this. Boy, I look like a cartoon character running in this. But yeah, we about to go hit the gym right now. Young gym session incoming. Had to bring some extra shoes because I was not about to be, you know what I'm saying? Damn! Right now. Bro, I already started recording. I showed them that it hasn't snowed like this since forever. Hell nah, bro. Last time it snowed like this, you don't remember the power went out and shit? It was like when we were still in high school. I still remember it was like 3 days no school.
It snowed like this. We had to walk to the gym again. Last time, remember? Do you remember?
It didn't snow that much though, bro.
It wasn't like this.
Bro, the snow goes up to like above my ankles. Nah, bro, we about to go hit some legs though. Leg day, yes Lord. The only reason I got out of bed today, cause it's legs.
What that mean? What that mean?
That means we about to get some right now.
Car about to blow up.
We made it to the Mecca. Once again, here we got Least Bum.
White guy walking.
Oh shit. Let me get to the shallow end before I eat shit again. Yee, we made it. I almost had a fucking scare and a half right now, but we here. Alright, so we ended up, well, I don't know about Luis, but I'm about to max out.
We'll see how the back feels.
How the back feels. He need that little belt. I'm probably about to max out. Try 3 barrels 25. Like 365, some shit like that. 1 rep max, we'll see how it goes.
It's a PR attempt.
345, I think. 1 rep max.
345, yep. Let's see it.
Woo!
Yes, sir. What the fuck was that? Did your pants change? Did you hear that? Oh, CGI, boy, what was that? You had 2 more.
In my defense, that was some heavy ass weight. 315 for 5 reps is hard as shit for somebody like me. I'm not big body yet, so I was pushing with all my might, man. Give me a break. All right, so we're not gonna speak about that tragedy that happened, but hit a new PR, 345, and now we're gonna finish out the rest of our leg day. Hey, bro, I'm trying to hit some calves right here, you know what I'm saying? Like these. Hit some calves. What the fuck is he training for?
He's training for the Olympics.
We must have World War III coming up or something, because I don't know what he's training for, bro. All these kicks to the yoga ball and something about core absorption. Look at him. Damn. I took out the camera and this guy already finished his set, bro. I was too slow. But here's me, I guess. Here you go, cameraman. Hey.
Hit your set. Ooh. Damn. Respectfully, bro, I would not let him do that shit to me.
Cool, bro. Let him hit his set. 4 barrels?
Then I might have to hit a set of this too then. No cap. Since he wants to show out, I'll show him a little something.
Special shoulder.
Sheesh, that boy he got a fucking, what is it called? A lisp. Yup. He a soldier, look at him. Soldier my ass, he a roach. Damn. Damn.
3 rounds only?
I did 5 rounds.
Man, I'm about to hit a set of this shit too here.
Alright, I guess we're keeping it rolling. Keep it rolling. Damn. This shit empty. That's why we acting like a certain type of way.
Super sick. So you hit 5? I did 5, yeah. You doing like 8? I'm making my head.
Damn.
You like that, huh?
That's 12?
C12, do 12.
C12, do 12. I guess I gotta hit a set too. Here, got this shit.
Still recording?
I guess. We're keeping it
It's all
rolling.
one take, I guess. Shit, poor editor, bro. Gotta come in and trim it all up. Gotta grow the calves, bro. Gotta force them. Jason the Beast, though. His calves small, but damn, they push it. You like that. They
That means
pushing them.
not quads.
That's what I'm saying. Flex it at the top.
Get him up there, boy.
You might need to go a little bit lower on there.
And that's the leg day for today. Holy fuck, this shit is deep. I'm walking this way respectfully. That's leg day. Luis and Isaac. Luis look like he freezing over there. We did some good work. Hit him. Oh fuck. Oh god. It's not even slippery no more. Oh shit, never mind. Oh shit. Nah. It's getting solid out here. It's not soft no more. But hopefully I don't gotta work tomorrow. Respectfully, fuck that. I'm trying to hit the gym or some shit, but we'll see. We'll see what goes on. Made it back home in one piece. Look at the Prelude. Oof. The Dooney van. Damn, this shit's hella deep. What the fuck? Rest in peace, my vans. Respectfully. Holy shit. Too much snow up in this hole. But we made it back. Damn. Damn. We made it back. Damn, I'm about to sleep right here. I already know. Made it back in one piece. Bro, look where Isaac got us. He got us in the trenches. Look at him with his little gloves. Look at him with his little gloves. We got these Amazon gloves, boy. You got this pull-up bar. You got this pull-up bar. And then look at this rusty ass shit. Oh my, I can't believe this. And look, oh, my shoes. Look at this. Oh, hell no. We in the trenches for sure this time. Sheesh.
This is Raven Beats.